In this next section, we will demonstrate how to use an angle grinder. But before we do, we must stress the fact that safety is of prime importance. All grinding operations require that you must wear the stipulated eye or full face protection. Further, it is strongly recommended that you protect your hands and your clothing by wearing both gloves and overalls or a spark-proof apron. Ensure that your work area is clear of other personnel and wherever necessary, set up spark or chip guards. Regarding the power supply, ensure that the cord is not in danger of snagging on sharp objects or lying in water. Such conditions are extremely dangerous. Further, if you are to use a power extension lead, then ensure that it is fully rolled out. Never work with a rolled up power lead, as this will cause overheating of the cable and could be a fire hazard. Before applying the wheel to the work, allow the machine to come up to full speed with the wheel pointing away from you. Carefully apply the wheel to the work at an angle of approximately 15 to 30 degrees. With a minimum of force, move the wheel over the area to be ground. The area of contact for surface work with BDA wheels is on the outer edges only. If the angle is too great, then the wheel will tend to dig into the work. And if too shallow, the wheel will place excess load on the machine and reduce grinding efficiency. When the required level of the surface has been reached, lift the machine off the work and switch off. Lay the machine down once the wheel has slowed or stopped onto a suitable cradle support. Never stop the wheel by forcing it against the work. You should now get in a little practice using your angle grinder under the supervision of your instructor.